Cefalu is quite close to Palermo, has 14,000 inhabitants, and it's one of the most known tourist destinations in Sicily, and has a very nice attraction, the Norman cathedral. Past years has though changed Cefalu much. It was a little bit more typical Sicilian style, but today it's quite touristic with the typical souvenir shops all over, small food and drink corners. The beach part is very nice and clean, has several restaurants by the seaside. Cefalu is quite small, so it suits perfect also for like a day excursion place. You can park by the seaside and walk into the old town because you can't really drive into the old town during summer. It's filled with narrow streets and cute alleys. The Norman or Arab Norman Cathedral is part of the UNESCO heritage of Cefalu. It's a fortress-like cathedral with mosaics and twin towers. Arabs started the construction but was finalized by Normans 1267. What stands out in Cefalu is the big Cefalu rock. I didn't make it there, but next time I will climb there. It takes about 1 hour. Sometimes I come to Cefalu to make wedding ceremonies, so next time.